Yung mga lalaki, ang favorite yung iba, na it's mapapatter. Yung iba naman, mapamastos.
Congressman ba ito?
Ah, yes!
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 Right answer?
Yes!
Ay, parang nasagot na po namin kanina, kahit na sino man yan, congressman man o hindi tama na sabihin yun. Kumbaga parang, yun yung mga usapan nyo kapag kayo magkakatropa eh. Di ba? Pag nagiinuman kayo na, kumbaga para ipagmalaki mo ba, medyo nakaka-dismaya lang. Siyempre, I can only feel for yung mga tao mga babae sa buhay ng mga lalaki ganun, di ba? Nararamdaman ko yung ano kayong nararamdaman nila, di ba? So, para po sa akin, importante na hindi siya, kumbaga parang hindi siya ignore. Kailangan natin magsalita about it in a very diplomatic and respectful way. Hindi naman tayo parang, nasaan na? Di ba? Hindi naman tayo ganun eh. Kumbaga parang sa atin, hinihingi lang natin yung respeto. And para din, maging aware sila na hindi yun appropriate.
Rian?
I think this country is a very patriarchal country to begin with, and I think there's not enough education to go around na para we can catch up with the rest of the world already. That women are not items. We're not something that you can own and just use at your will. So we have to understand na may sarili kaming puso, isip. You have no right to say that in public. I mean, I can understand what you're saying na some people get flattered to know na pinagpapantasyahan sila. But, I mean, do you think I don't have fantasies? I wouldn't tell you though. I mean, these are the kinds of things that you keep to yourself out of respect for another human being. But, I mean, if you have the feeling that you can say it out loud, maybe you're not viewing them as another human being. So yun, I hope that all of the good fathers out there can raise their sons to understand how to respect women as equals, as partners, and not as something that you own.